Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only today, but essentially, the move started yesterday, and you could even argue that it started back here on the 12th when, the price started to show some upwards price movements. But regardless, point here being the bulls have had a very nice past couple of days. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can hold up above this point right here at $2.40. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.40, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that, down here at $2.32. So $2.40, $2.32, these two near-term levels of support. But taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So from a very cut and dry way to measure and answer the question, is there any sort of, how's the strength doing? How can we gauge the strength? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself upwards, then the strength is in fully, the bulls' control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, point being, assuming you're bullish, the bulls are at full peak potential, full health, as long as the price stays above that purple line as time unfolds. What about levels of resistance? I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance going into tomorrow, and I'll explain that in a second. But that level is right up there at $2.50. So $2.50 key area of resistance. Reason I'm just talking about one is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority right now. Top priority for the chart, go through some healthy consolidation and build higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So another very nice day today. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.